Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Panasonic 13 kg top loading washing machine having problem U12 error message. Now I have to check what is the problem with the machine. Most probably it is having problem with the door lid or door switch, door sensor. We have to check exactly what is the problem, and we will go to the next step. We will check what is the exactly problem. I will show you the problem with this machine. I already given power connection. Now I am going to select only the spin cycle here. I cancel already wash and rinse everything. Only the direct spin I select. Now I will start the machine here, and it's showing 16 minutes. Now drain pump already got start. Now you can see the problem. It's showing U12. This is the error message. Machine not go to the step by step. Now already got stuck here. Now we have to check what is the problem exactly. First of all, we will remove the main control board, and we will check any wire damage or sometime is bitten by the rat, and because of that we will remove the back cover here, main control board, and we will check. Now I already disconnect the power connections. Now here I have to remove the screws. Four screws are here. And now we can take up main control board here. Now you can see the main control board. Now we will remove this cover and we will check. Now I can remove this cover. Also we can check any loose connection or something, but look like no any loose connection, nothing. And control board here, no any damage. The back cover also, and we will check any damage harness assemble. Now I am going to remove the back cover. Now I remove already back cover also. Now we can check here harness, any damage. Here look like no any damage. Now we will remove the top cover with the panel. Top panel we will remove. Here two screws will come. Side. And we have to remove this cover. And here also a screw. Another side also. Now we can lift up here. Now we can check. Here door sensor. We have to check this sensor, it is working or not properly. Here. Now I already removed this sensor. Here this sensor only problem, actually this sensor getting defect, at the same time only it's showing U12. Now this one you can see here, this is oxide too much, and also we try to repair, but if you are not able to repair this one, you can do This is easy way I'm going to show you, I'm going to tell you. This is very easy for us. Otherwise we cannot find out, we are not able to find out this sensor from the market. And here I try in UAE, but it's not possible. I'm not able to, I couldn't find this sensor. Here already got shorted. You can see here, because of the water humidity, it already oxided. Because of that, now what I'm going to do, I will remove this one. And before also somebody tried to repair this one, but they couldn't repair. Here you can see. Now what we can do here, this one we have to bypass this three wires, this three wires, this one color gray and red and white gray. This three wire we have to bypass together, all together. That means we have to take one wire here, and this three we have to bypass. After that our problem will get solved. We can do here also from the control board here. The display PCB we can bypass. Here you can see this wire is coming, this color. You can see here the gray color and gray and white, also red color. This three wire, that means here we can bypass. Here also we will do here. This is good for the machine, because from there it will get again with the oxide, with the humidity it will get damaged. Because of that I'm going to do here, this three wire we have to bypass. After that our problem will get solved. Now I will do that and I will show you. Now I'm going to this three wire bypass here. That's mean gray color and red color and gray color, red color and white and gray, three wire we already bypass here. Now we can check. It should be work now. It should work now. Now we can check. Now I will give the power connection and I will select again a spin cycle. Now I have to tell one thing here, from the down, here it's coming already 7 wires. That means from the top we have to keep two connections empty. After that only we have to bypass like this, keep it up to empty. After that 3, 4, 5 we have to bypass 3 wires. Now it's already done. Now I will give the power connection again, and also I'm selecting spin cycle here. Here spin cycle. Now I will start the machine. Now it's showing 11 minutes remaining. Now you can see our problem already resolved. The machine starting spin cycle. This is the easy way for us. If you are occurring U12 with the Panasonic top loading washing machine, this is the way you have to resolve this issue. And now finally I have to refix again the panel and all. After that my job already completed. Now this is the way, if you are occurring the same issue, Panasonic top loading washer, if you are occurring U12 error message, this is the way easy. If you are not able to find the same parts, you have to do this. This is the way. Anyway, now machine is running well without any problem. Now my job is already done, already completed. Now thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks again.